Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to do a review of the new Fusion Firm Liquid Chrome Airbrush Ready Paint. This would be a good alternative to model kit chrome that comes in the kit. If the parts that you have don't have any chrome and you need them to be chrome, this is a good alternative to it. Let's go through the whole process of shooting it, and then at the end I'll show you the results. Stay tuned. Okay, let's give it a shot. For this paint experiment, we're using the Gaahleri Classic 0.38 airbrush, 20 PSI. It's got a nice applicator tip, or dispenser tip. Squirt right into the airbrush here. It does look like molten chrome right there. Alright, let's do some wheel covers first. Thick here. Now I'm going to make it run. going to put it in the dehydrator at 104 degrees and let it see what happens. We got one bumper and 2 wheel covers in there. I'll check it in about an hour or so. All right, so it's been a few days. Let's take a good look at the difference between the Fusion Firm chrome that I put in the dehydrator and ones that I let air dry. All right, so can you tell the difference? It's kind of hard to tell, but this one is just a little bit more reflective than this one. It's kind of hard to capture it on video, but you can tell the difference between the one that was dehydrated. Now, for comparison purposes, this is kit chrome, which in my opinion has always been just a little too shiny. So what do you guys think? I think that the air dried is actually a better looking chrome than kit chrome. See, I would normally dull this down with a semi-gloss to get it almost to this sheen. Let's look at the bumpers. You can actually tell a little better with the bumpers which one is which. This is this one was air dried, this one was dehydrated. Just a little bit more reflective. You can see my finger in the reflection. See, it's a little bit dull versus a little bit more shiny. But both of these are respectable chrome finishes for directly onto resin. I didn't use any black paint or any gloss clear. As you can see, the print lines are pronounced on it. I didn't sand it. I didn't do anything. All I did was just shoot some paint on it. I think that it's a good substitute for sending your parts out for chrome plating, and yeah, I think it's worth it. So what do you guys think? I think the Fusion Firm chrome works pretty good for what it is. It's a chrome alternative. There is a discount link below in the description for you to buy it. It's on Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. It's not too bad. Yeah, if you airbrush, this is a good alternative to kit chrome. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.